Hello, amazing artists. So, last time, if you remember, we were learning about the elements of art, right? And there are 7 elements of art. And last time, we learned a little bit about lines and we did some line drawings and we started to learn about color. We were talking about warm colors and cool colors. Today, we're going to talk about the color wheel and primary colors and secondary colors. All right, let's get ready for that. But first, let's do our affirmation. We have our tool right here. Ready? Getting in a good space to do some art. My heart is open. My ideas matter. I am an amazing artist. I am loved. And take a moment while we watch the bubbles come down. Take some deep breaths. Get ready to open up your imagination, all your creativity, and do some beautiful, beautiful art today. Gonna have fun together. Oh, the bubbles coming down. Couple more breaths. All right, artists. So I'm gonna share with you my notebook right here. And if you get your paper ready, today we'll need our paper, a pencil. We'll need some colors. We'll need the primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. And we will need the secondary colors. The secondary colors are green, purple, and orange. So these are the primaries. Oh, that's not my blue, sorry, that's my purple. These are the primaries, red, yellow, and blue. And then we'll need the secondaries, which are green, purple, and orange. So you can use colored pencils, or you can use crayons, or you can use markers. It is up to you today. Or even paint if you want to, just be careful by your computer. So I also got this lid. This is from a jar, just from something I had in my kitchen that was finished up. I was gonna put it in the recycling, but sometimes I like to keep it and use it. And what I do is I put my fingers lightly on top of the lid so I hold it in place so it doesn't move around. I wanna keep it still. And I start lightly with my pencil around one corner. And I hold it and I keep my fingers in the middle and I bring my pencil all the way around and go back if I want to and make sure the lid stays in one spot. And then when I lift it up, I have a circle. And I'm gonna make a few of those today. Two, if I could fit three maybe. Well, I might be able to squeeze one in here. Might be close, we'll see. Might touch the other ones a little bit, but that's okay. This is just for practicing our primary and secondary colors. So I have 3 circles. Now I'm going to start with the ones that I said were primary. These 3 colors make up all the colors. And in a little while, we're going to listen to a song about this, but it's pretty cool. With these 3 colors, you can get most any color. So the thing about this is we are going to start with red. And we're going to put red at the top. Now, when we put red at the top, I'm going to make a little circle around my red. Then I have my blue. I'm going to put blue right here. Blue, B for blue. And I'm going to make a square around my blue. Then over here, I'm going to put a Y for yellow, and I'm going to make a triangle around my yellow. Now, if you notice, I left space in between each one. Why did I do that? Well, I want us to see that in between these spaces, something happens. So what happens is our primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, they come together to make secondary colors, the other colors that we love so much. So watch, when red and blue come together, they make purple. I'm going to turn that one into a triangle too. Okay, now when blue and yellow come together, they make green. I'm going to turn that one into a circle. When red and yellow come together, they make orange. I'm going to turn that one into a square. And later we'll learn more about why I did these certain shapes. But what you could do, you could take your pencil and you can connect the two circles, connect the two triangles, and connect the two squares. There's 6 colors, primaries and secondaries. Now we're going to listen to a little song that shows us about how this happens too. So let's check out this song. It's something fun that will hopefully help you remember the primary and secondary colors.
3 primary colors, red, yellow, blue. Combine them all and see what they will do.
Cool moves,
Says blue. I like your pants.
I love this song.
Can I have
this dance?
Blue and yellow make green. 3 primary colors, red, yellow, blue. Mix them together and make something new. Red sneaking up, blue doesn't know. Mouth wide open. Uh-oh! Red and blue make purple. 3 primary colors, red, yellow, blue. All colors come from them by mixing, it's true. You're fast, says yellow. I wanna do that. Look, I'm skating backwards. Whoops, uh-oh, splat. Yellow and red make orange. 3 primary colors, red, yellow, blue. Now you know them all, and we do too.
All right, so we know them all. So we are going to make another color wheel. All right, so we're going to do similar to what we just did, but we're just going to fill it in like it's a giant pie. So we can see all the colors there, beautiful together, almost like a rainbow in a circle shape. Okay, so let's see here. Let me share my screen again. I'm going to use one of those other circles that I drew. And I'm going to start again with those primary colors. We know them now. That's right. Red, yellow, blue. And then we have the secondary colors. The secondary colors are what gets mixed up. Red and yellow mixed up, orange. Blue and red mixed up, it's going to give us purple. And yellow and blue mixed up is going to give us green. So now we're going to make it like it's a pie. We need to have lots of pie. So I'm going to make a pie. I'm going to start coloring in this green. About halfway between yellow and blue. I'm going to have my green. And I'm going to fill in my blue. about halfway between purple and green. I'm making a pie. I'm going to put purple. And yellow. And I put some orange. And last, some red. It's like the outside of my pie, but I want to fill it in. So I'm going to use my pencil. I'm going to just draw my little bit of lines here. I want to have my whole pie. I put my dot in the center. Now I can fill it in with all my color. This is like a color pie. All the beautiful colors. Red, yellow, blue. What were those again? Primary, that's right. Purple, green, and orange. Yep. Secondary. So with our primary colors, we can make all the colors. A rainbow pie. Really called a color wheel. You can do this with paint too, but at home it might be easier to do it with color pencils or crayons or markers. So there, my friends, is our color wheel. Work real hard in filling it all the way in, and then upload a picture of it on Seesaw. So you should have ones with the different shapes, triangles, squares, and circles, and then you should have your whole color wheel. We'll work on this one another time, okay? Great job. I hope you had fun learning about the color wheel, and make sure you keep this in your art spot because it's part of the elements of art, learning about color, lines, and we'll learn about all the other ones soon. So remember, love you so much, and I will see you real soon.